Hello world, it's Hatim Tekri. Welcome back to the Dart series. In the last video, we have discussed the introduction of a Dart programming language. Now in this video, we start with our first program. Before starting with the program, we will understand the software for the Dart programming. So for Dart programming, we have two options. First is using IntelliJ IDE and another one is through DartPad. In the IntelliJ IDE, first of all, we have to install the Dart SDK. Then we have to install the IntelliJ IDE and then some Dart plugins. So for Dart SDK, go to the Google and search Dart SDK. Then go to the first link, that is get Dart SDK. Here you get the documentation of the Dart. For downloading the Dart SDK, here we have three options: Windows, Linux and Mac. So you have to download the Dart SDK according to your operating system. The different operating system have a different SDK. After downloading the SDK, we have to download the IntelliJ IDE, and for the IDE we use Visual Studio. Go to the Google, search Visual Studio download, then go to the first link and download Visual Studio from here, and then install some Dart plugin in the Visual Studio. Now the another way is through DartPad. The DartPad is an online editor for Dart programming developed by Dart developer. It is the most easiest way for the Dart programming, and in this series we use DartPad for Dart programming. For DartPad, go to Google and search DartPad and you are good to go. Search DartPad on Google, click on the first link, that is dartpad.dev. Yes, now you are good to go. You don't need any installation part in the DartPad. That's why we use the DartPad in our series. So in the DartPad, this is a place where we write our program. And this run button, when we click this run button, the editor runs this program and give the output. So the output comes in this console area. And in case if we get some error, then the error message display in this area. So this is a simple and easy editor for Dart programming. Now we start with our program, that is Hello World. Before starting with the program, just understand the story behind the first program, that is Hello World. Why we take first program as a Hello World? Because every programmer, this is not a rule but convention, that every programmer start their programming journey using Hello World program. So that's why we use Hello World program as our first program. So let's start with the program. So this is a void main. So the void main is an entry point of Dart programming language. Every programming language have its own entry point. In Dart, the void main is the entry point of the Dart. Now, what is void we'll understand in the later videos. And main is the function or a method. Method and function are same. Then there are two curly braces. Then inside these curly braces, we write our code. Just write print, then round bracket, then write hello world and semicolon. Then click on the run button and yeah, we'll get the output hello world. So let's do some experiment. If I remove the semicolon and click on the run button, so here we get the error, expected semicolon after this, print hello world. So just put semicolon which we have missed, then run again. Now it's run. Now it's okay. Now let's do some more experiment. If I remove the quotation, now it's give error message, expected comma before this, because this editor cannot able to judge the error. So now correct it, then run again. Yeah, it's good to go. So this is our first program. So now you have started your programming journey with this hello world program. So now we see how we can write comment in the Dart programming language. So if you write something, if you have to write something, for example, this is my first program. Now if I run this, it's given error. So because we haven't put the prefix before the comment. So to mention the comment in the Dart programming language, we have to put 2 backslash. So backslash is for a single line comment. If we want to put the multiple line comment, then for the multiple line, start with the backslash and star, then end with the star and backslash. Yeah, you are good to go. So for single line, we use 2 backslash, and for multiple line, we use backslash star in the starting and at the end star backslash. This is for single line, multiple line. So in this video, we have done our first program, that is hello world. So that's it for this video. And in the next video, we will see the data type in the Dart programming language. So thank you.